Mistake number 1. She don't work here. Correct. She doesn't work here. Mistake number 2. She have a car. Correct. She has a car. Mistake number 3. Who's coming to the party? Correct. Who's coming to the party? Mistake 4. They was late. Correct. They were late. Mistake number 5. I seen him yesterday. Correct. I saw him yesterday.
Mistake number 6. He didn't went there. Correct. He didn't go there. Mistake number 7. Me and him went to the store. Correct. He and I went to the store. Mistake number 8. It's raining outside. Correct. It's raining outside. Mistake number 9. I could have helped you. Correct. I could have helped you. Mistake number 10. She's more nicer than me. Correct. She's nicer than me. Mistake number 11. They're going to the park. Correct. They're going to the park. Mistake number 12. Everyone have their books. Correct. Everyone has their books. Mistake 13. I don't know nothing about it. Correct. I don't know anything about it. Mistake 14. Let's keep this between you and I. Correct. Let's keep this between you and me. Mistake number 15. She run fast yesterday. Correct. She ran fast yesterday. Mistake number 16. The dog chased its tail. Correct. The dog chased its tail. Mistake number 17. I am much happy today. Correct. I am very happy today. Mistake number 18. Each people have a phone. Correct. Every person has a phone. Mistake number 19. She gave me many informations. Correct. She gave me information. Mistake number 20. I am at the bus. Correct. I am in the bus.
For more videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.